From A to Z, so much to know. Learning letters, this is my show. Clap your hands, move your body. The alphabet is for everybody.
And like a northern pike, it's an animal, swimming fast in water's cool, silver scales that shine and gleam.
And like a northern pike and like nature's dream. And like a needlefish, it's an animal, long and sleek, it darts with flair, gliding through the ocean's blue. And like a needlefish and like nimble too.
And like a narwhal, it's an animal with the horn that's shining tall,
Magic well beneath the sea.
and like a narwhal, and like noble and free.
And like a nightingale, it's an animal, singing softly in the night, melodies that fill the air. And like a nightingale, all the words come alive, animals in color shine, fruits in actions dance and jive, adventure sparkles all the time.
Raise your hands, it's time to play.
Sing and clap, hooray, hooray. Learning letters, oh yeah, it is awesome every day.
And like a nurse, a caring profession, healing hearts for calm expression, gentle hands and smiles so kind. And like a nurse, and like nurturing mind.
And like a novelist, a creative profession, writing tales with true confession, words that dance and dreams take flight. And like a novelist, and like narrative rhyme.
Like a navigator, a profession, guiding ships in right direction, stars above and compass near.
And like a navigator, and like no more fear. And any a sweet profession, caring love in each expression, helping children learn and play. And like a nanny, and like nice today. All the words come alive, animals in color shine, fruits and actions dance and jive, adventure sparkles all the time. Raise your hands, it's time to play. Sing and clap, hooray, hooray. Learning letters, oh yeah, it is awesome every day.
And like a notebook, an object neat, pages waiting, words to meet, draw or write your dreams inside.
And like a notebook, and like notes with pride.
And like a necklace, an object bright, shining jewels in morning light, round your neck a lovely sight.
And like a necklace, and like new delight.
And like a net, an object strong, catching fish all day long.
Tied with rope and used with care. And like a net, and like nature share. And like a nail, an object small, holds things firm, it helps them all. Strong and steady, silver hue. And like a nail, and like neat and true. All the words come alive, animals in color shine, fruits and actions dance and jive, adventure sparkles all the time. Raise your hands, it's time to play. Sing and clap, hooray, hooray. Learning letters, oh yeah, and it's awesome every day.
And like a needle, an object fine, tiny point and silver shine, sewing threads in tidy line.
And like a needle, and like neat design.
And like a necktie, an object cool, smart and stylish, fashion boom.
Knotted nicely, show your flair. And like a necktie, and like neat to wear.
And like a newspaper, and like it shows far inside.
Words and pictures tell the day. And like a newspaper, and like news on display.
And like a nutcracker,
I like nice all around. All the words come alive, animals in color shine, fruits and actions dance and jive, adventure sparkles all the time. Raise your hands, it's time to play. Sing and clap, hooray, hooray. Learning letters, oh yeah, and it's awesome.
I'm learning the alphabet, look at me. Learning has never been so easy. Every song teaches me new words. I sing each letter and brighten my world.
A, B, C, those words will be mine. D, E, F, sing and dance, this is my time. G, H, I learn every line. J to Z, it is my time to shine.
Sing with me,
The alphabet,
the best song
you can get.
Letters are fun from A to Z.
Every word means the world to me. I learn, I dance, I sing along. Learning letters makes me strong.